A function exists within CCIP that will allow districts to make their active plan public. In order to do so, they would go to the planning tool and click the button here. They would be able to set a date or a range for the active plan to be public. This could be used if a large number of people need to go in and view something that's in the plan but don't need access or don't have a safe account. An example would be if a large group of parents wanted to see the plan. A district could set a range for, let's say, 2 weeks and allow anyone who wants to access CCIP through the public access to go in and see active portions of the plan. For users that have access to CCIP, anyone who is accessing the publicly accessible portion of CCIP, they will be able to view all of the archived plans within CCIP. When an application is submitted to ODE for review, a snapshot or archive of their plan at that time is created and stored here in the planning tool. To access, you would change the drop-down from active plan to all archived or last archived plan and select which plan you would like to view. This can be useful if you're trying to track changes between one plan and another within a current fiscal year. Districts have the function to restrict the type of action steps that are added to school plans using a function known as the Action Step Bank. By accessing it from the left menu, they can come to the Action Step Bank. If a district chooses to limit only items that can be added from the Action Step Bank to the school plan, they would go into the Action Step Bank to create the items for the schools to select which one will be implemented there. If a district wanted to allow schools to have the freedom to write their own action steps, they would need to change their Action Step Bank access and ensure that it says no. If they do, however, want to restrict and only allow items that are in the Action Step Bank, the status would need to be yes. Once you make a selection, hit save.